Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you some favorite products, some brand new, some I've tried before many years ago and still love, and also an amazing discount code. So let's make a start. Okay, first up, let's do EVE LOM because I've got an amazing discount code. I'm going to keep it on the screen throughout this portion so you can see it and use it. You get 20% off. So let me share with you the products. So we're going to show 3 products here. Now this is the perfect, healthy, aging trio, basically targeting multiple signs of aging. So we're going to do the Daily Rejuvenating Cream, the Radiance Repair Retinol Serum, and the Epic Smoothing Eye Complex, which features innovative formulas that maximizes the retinal efficiency while reducing any irritation, resulting in formulas that are gentle enough to use twice daily. And anyone that's used retinol will know it's a problematic ingredient, but not with this collection. So let's start with the eye. So this is the Time Retreat Smoothing Eye Complex. Look at this beauty. I'm going to give you a demo now. So benefits are reduces crow's feet, smooths fine lines, aids with skin firmness and suppleness, brightens the skin, which I really love. And it also features this cold to touch applicator, which helps reduce the puffiness under the eyes and also just, drop the lid and helps to just be really delicate around that eye area. You can use this twice daily, morning and night. So let me show you how to use it. So I'm going to take my glasses off, and all you're going to do is give the applicator a little squeeze. Out comes the product, and then you're going to apply it underneath the eye and just smooth it in. Now you don't need a lot of product here at all, just enough to create this beautiful, the feeling of this, it's really, really cool. The applicator gets right the way into this inner corner and it just depuffs the eye area. Now, all of these products which I've tested, all of them work so well underneath eye makeup. And this one in particular works amazing as an eye prep for your concealer, which we will be doing afterwards. And I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and to say the level of hydration underneath the eye, it's immense. It's such a good product. It's such a good product. And again, I love the way it sits underneath with concealer. So I'm going to do the skincare first, and I'll show you makeup products a little bit later. So next up, we've got the Radiance Repair Retinol Serum, which is this beautiful, EVE LOM, they do the best cleanser, but they just do the best packaging. So we're talking visibly reduces fine lines, plump skin, smooths for a more kind of even complexion, and of course improves the barrier function for up to about 12 hours or so, which is great. Again, twice daily use, morning and evening. You just need a couple of drops that you massage onto dry skin. So let me show you. So I'm just going to get some product. This stuff is so dreamy. And just pop it. Let's see if we can get that in focus. Just 3 drops. You don't need a lot, so it will last you a long time. And then you're just going to smooth it onto the skin. It sinks in and just feels hydrated. Now there is no oiliness or stickiness to this. Once this is absorbed, it's in the skin. So there's no pilling or pulling or anything irritating like that when it comes to makeup application over it, which is a wonderful thing. So next up, we've got the Daily Rejuvenating Cream. So again, we're talking about that improvement of fine lines, wrinkles, elasticity, plumpness of the skin. It just cocoons the skin with hydration. So if you're needing a nourishing, hydrating moisturizer that's for all skin types, even sensitive, this is the one. So let's pop it on. So I'm just going to take my finger, get some product. You don't need a huge amount because of the nourishing kind of qualities of it. And then I just massage it into the skin. Now, you can't see, or well, you can see, but you can't feel this. If you could feel how this feels going on, you would understand why makeup with these 3 products just goes, just gently sweeps all over the skin. This will absorb and then it's gone and your skin is just left incredibly plumped, hydrated, feeling utterly delicious. And it's ready for makeup or it's ready for you going to bed, depending on what time of day it is. It's entirely up to you. These products work so well. They are very, very gentle. Even though we're talking about retinol products, they're gentle. Twice daily use is perfectly fine and you will absolutely see a difference. But the hero product for me, and I love EVE LOM. I mean, EVE LOM, perfect. That cleanser, we can talk about it for another time. But the hero product is this eye cream. It's so good, or this eye serum, I'm sorry. It's just, honestly, you've got to try this to feel it. That coolness just makes the world of difference. So don't forget, the code's been on the screen. Use the code, 20% off. Be happy, you're welcome. Okay, let's move on to some makeup products. So, these are oldies but goodies. Now this is MAC and this is a Studio Fix. Now I'm somewhere between 25 and 30. So I'm going to mix a little drop of kind of each on the back of my hand and just hope for the best when I blend them in. And you'll also see how well they go over the EVE LOM we've just used. So I'm going to blend these together and then a couple of dots onto the face. Any that's left on, which is, like most of it, we'll use if we need it. So I'm just going to buff these onto the skin. I haven't used this product for maybe, 18 years, 17, something like that. A long time. I forgot how actually good it really is. It's really good. It provides a great amount of coverage, but if you use it sparingly, like I am, it gives a really natural finish to the skin. You see how smooth that goes on. I will apply a little bit more because we've got some here, so why not? And I reckon I probably pumped out about 1 pump of foundation. Now I'm not really going underneath the eyes too much because I'm going to use some concealer there in a moment. But you can just see the coverage here is really beautiful, really natural. And with that base on, with the serum, the eye cream and the face cream from EVE LOM, it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful finish. I'm just going to stipple a little bit extra on the top of my forehead where I've got a little bit more pigmentation, but it's beautiful. I really forgot what a great product it is. We're going to go in with the concealer next, Natasha Denona. So I get a lot of concealers, but this is a really good one. And I'm just going to apply it here and a little dot on the outside corner, 1 dot down the center of my forehead. And then I'm just going to blend that in circular motions and kind of stipple it. Just want to create a little bit of lightness just in the center of the forehead. As we get older, it can kind of needs a little bit more light. So I'm going to really blend that out. It's a full coverage concealer. I'm going to blend out the edges here and then take it over the eyelid. So outside corner, it blends quite away, this product. And then the inner corner, I'm just going to take the other side and just start to extend it down like this, just to get a bit more brightness. And then I'm going to take that same brush, buff it in, and just move it out slightly. And this just gives that brightness. It's a great concealer. If you've not tried it, you should. Brightens up and there's just a little bit more lightness. Okay, so next up, just reviewed these, but we're going to use them here. So this is from Nude Sticks and it's their new blusher for lip and eye. And it's a creamy product that actually dries to a more kind of powder finish. So I'm just going to build up some product on my cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, and just a touch on the forehead. And then I'm going to take that product, that same brush, and I'm just going to buff this in. Now, because of the way this formula is, it actually has a slightly matte almost powdery finish. So I'm going to get a little bit of setting powder, or at least a little bit of setting going on here. It gives a really nice flush. You don't get a massive amount. You get 2.5 grams of product. So it's not going to last you an age, but it is a really nice product. Let's just blend that nose. Look at that. Better. So let's do, I haven't tried this yet. So this is by Makeup by Mario, and it is his contour stick. Now, we're just going to do a little bit. So I've not used this, and I can tell instantly that it is a very creamy product just by the way that went on and blended. I think I'm going to like it. I do. And it's got a real nice reflection to it. So if you like a dewy product, congratulations, you've just found one. And if you don't, congratulations, you can powder it. I'm just going to go down the sides of the nose, but really over it as well. I don't want to contour. Who contours? Come on, let's be honest. Everyone. Okay, blend that in. That's real nice. That's a nice one. Should have used that earlier, who knew? And finally, because we've got a lot going on in terms of shine, we're going to use this product here by Mally. Now, I got this from QVC, and it is the Defender. It is basically a silicone setting powder that's powderless. It doesn't really set, but what it does is it takes away the shine. I'm just going to take a kind of like a powder puff, really what it is, a powder puff. And all I'm going to do is now pat it on the areas that I want to remove the shine, and they're instantly gone. So depending on your skin type and preferred preference, so you may love this. It doesn't really set, so let's not pretend it does, but it does take away all the shine everywhere you put it. So now I've got the shine where I want it, and then when I look on, as you well know with me, the skin is completely matte. And that completes this video. Hope you like it. Good products, good products. Don't forget, use the code WAYNE20, get 20% off EVE LOM, all the information in the description bar. It's just amazing, amazing, amazing. This eye cream, oh, it's so good. The eye is so good, but they're all good because it's EVE LOM. May have to start looking back into MAC because that's really quite impressive. So who knew? There you go. All the information in the description bar. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.